And I just wanted to talk to you guys. I'm sorry I'm not showing my face. I don't want my mask on. I am going to be talking to you the viewer, I'm so cringy, about the Nerf Gun War series. Don't worry, it has not ended. It's been far from ending. So, basically, as you know right now, we are doing Afterlife. So basically, there's going to be a few more Afterlife videos. And then, I have a plan for one that, by the way, this video contains massive spoilers. So basically, I'm going to be telling you the whole order of the stories of the Nerf Gun War series. So basically, I'll start out with Big Boss Kid, who did not show his face on YouTube. Relatable. Who did not show his face on YouTube. So they got mad and started a war with him. I know, it's no reason to start a war. But then sadly, he died from the main boss. So then a guy, I can't remember his name, so stupid, an alien time traveled back in time and then went on to Earth to save Big Boss Kid. Oh yeah, and by the way, when Big Boss Kid died, the Earth exploded like psh. So then he went back in time to save the Earth and Big Boss Kid, and he did, but inside that process, he also died. Yeah, so that was the aftermath, by the way, which he went back in time to save Big Boss Kid. The one where Big Boss Kid died was just inside the Nerf Gun War. But then it became the funeral, which was Big Boss Kid at the guy who saved him's funeral. And then a guy was snapping pictures of a dead body to post on like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, you name it. And Big Boss Kid got furious. He clenched up his fists and was just like, "Is this a start of another war?" He yeeted out his gun and went like straight in his brain, and then he died. And then an old lady called the cops. Beep, beep, beep. 911, what's your emergency? I'm like, yeah. A guy just shot this guy. And then he was just like, I'm sorry, I'm so cringy. But yeah, he shot her. And then eventually the cops called up to him, arrested him, served him for life. Then he escaped, killed a few more cops, and then he got arrested again and got served the death penalty. Then got the death penalty. Then there's where Nerf Gun War the Afterlife comes up. So if you don't know what this one's gonna be about, I've already done episode 1. That was like weeks ago. Tomorrow's going to be episode 2, 3, and maybe even 4. So get ready for that. But basically, it's just gonna be a guy who is in World War III. Yes, World War III does happen 1,000 years from now. I don't know why. I'm just stupid. Do not fix that. But yeah. He is going to be inside World War III, and then Big Boss Kid's spirit, Skylight, is gonna haunt him. And then basically, as you guys could see from episode 2, Big Boss Kid told him to go inside the shed, and he found a gun with a piece of paper that do not open till 3019. I mean, do not touch till 2019, which basically the funeral director of Big Boss Kid's funeral put in there. And the only reason Big Boss Kid, this is the part where I get spoilers, the only reason why Big Boss Kid did this was to get his gun back. Now, he's going to haunt him to get his gun back. And then, at the end, something crazy is going to happen. I'm not going to spoil that much. But then, I'm going to do aliens versus humans, which is basically going to be a series where the aliens are aiming guns at the humans from their planet because they think we killed the alien that saved the Big Boss Kid. They think it's all our fault, even though it wasn't our fault. So they're aiming, so we're going to have to go to space and save the day with Big Boss Kid, yeah! And then, yeah, that might be the end. I don't know, I plan on making more after that, I just don't know. Maybe like human extinction and then time travel or something. I don't know. I don't know how it's going to work. We will see. I might do a human extinction and time travel. I do a dog activity stuff. Since I time travel machine. Oh my god. That would be so stupidly random. But wait, that would be maybe an alien. Aliens still live on other planets. Genius. Genius. Okay, guys, so if you guys are excited, For all that, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
I work you like a dog.